Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Reviewer Winspections, the go-to destination for best paint roller. If you're new here, I'm Nathan, and thrilled to have you join our community. Today's video is going to be top 5 paint roller, something I'm passionate about, and I think you'll love it too. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. It helps out the channel. Alright, let's get into today's content. Number 1. Bates Paint Roller. Bates Choices Roller Kit has earned the #1 bestseller title from Amazon and over 5,300 perfect ratings. Packed away neatly in a paint tray, the 11 accessories are fit for covering cabinets anywhere in the home, supplying DIYers with synthetic fabric roller covers, a foam brush, and a roller frame. I am not a professional, but found that the kit contained all that I needed for my accent wall and cabinet project, mentioned a customer. Another noted that comfort-wise, they're superior to other brands as well. They wrote, "The best feature of this kit for me was the fact that it was a better fit ergonomically. I had less hand strain painting. The synthetic filaments in the paint brush are designed to hold more paint to save you time and give you the finish you are looking for. The naps for the paint rollers are ½ inch thick, perfect for painting the house." Number 2. Foam Pro 176-10 Foam Paint Roller. These 6-inch foam rollers can slide over cabinet doors, leaving them with a smooth finish and no lint left behind. But they're not only good for the classic kind of paint, they can handle urethanes, stains, and varnishes, too. A slender roller frame is required for these, but it pays off to purchase a few sizes down from the typical cage frame. Painting cabinet doors, ledges, trim, and interiors are all made possible with each fine finisher mini roller and their corresponding holder. And if they're rinsed and cared for properly, they can be used more than once. Number 3. Foam Paint Roller. Foam rollers can't go far without being popped on a roller frame. This one from Nanja possesses 9 4-inch foam rollers that are perfect for painting cabinets, a rolling frame, and a paint tray. Once a roller cover is popped on, it leaves a fuzz and lint-free finish and provides a faultless texture on cabinets. Varnish, shellac, and even waterproofing lacquers can be combined with the material on these foam cover rollers without concern. Shoppers noted these are excellent for painting cabinets. Others commended them for their high-grade construction. Quality rollers products quality outcome. Always use foam, wrote one person, who has been painting for 50 years. With a quality roller, you can use cheap paint and get terrific results. Use a cheap roller, even expensive paint gives you crappy results. Ergonomically paint roller comfortable and lightweight while durable and high-impact rubber handle, treaded to fit any extension pull. Number 4. Magimate Paint Roller. Another great paint kit to consider when there's a kitchen cabinet project in the works is this one from Magimate. Like many others, it comes with paint rollers, brushes, and a tray, but this one also contains painter's tape and a reusable stir stick. This set has also earned itself an Amazon's Choice Badge and 1,205 star ratings. Though reviewers appreciated having these tools for cabinets, they lend themselves to projects all around the house. The roller handle is very comfortable and doesn't cause my hand to cramp like others I've used before, wrote one person. The rolled pads allow the paint to easily and evenly spread. The big heavy-duty paint roller handle with threads can screw on an extension pole or a broom handle for easy paint on ceilings and ground. Fast paint roller applicator. Rubberized soft roller handle, comfortable to grip. Number 5. Tool Trio, Paint Brush, Roller, Sponge. Sometimes paint rollers can only do so much when it comes to painting cabinets. This foam roller also comes with a paint brush and a round sponge applicator to get maximum coverage. There is also a reusable paint tray included, too. This set is a helpful addition to have when it comes to chalk paint, wax, and lacquers of similar consistencies. A round brush is often the preferred method of application, especially for the final sealing coat on a cabinet or object with chalk finish paint. This kit is prepped and ready to go with a suitable brush and a roller for other paint needs. The paint tray liner is made of high-quality PP material, which can be cleaned and reused. The size is 7.9 inches 4.7 inches, suitable for paint rollers within 3 inches. The paint tray liner is suitable for paint rollers under 3 inches. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.